Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from crypto.com to bank account in Australia. This is easy. The first step we need to do is open our crypto app and then we're gonna click this option called transfer. Once we click the option called transfer, we're gonna click this option with drag right here. In this case, we're gonna select a currency, but in this case, we're gonna add this Australian dollar. Once we select this currency, when we need to set the amount to withdraw. In this case, we're gonna withdraw this amount, and then we're gonna click this option withdraw. Right here, we're gonna confirm the withdraw, and there you go. This is how you do this. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.